Stamps are a great way to add decorative embellishments to your paper projects, as well as polymer clay, shrink plastic, and fabric crafts. To get started stamping, you'll need a flat work surface, paper, an ink pad, and of course, stamps. There are two types of stamps: traditional wooden stamps, which feature a rubber stamp adhered to a wooden block, and cling stamps, which are sold separate from a base and must be attached to an acrylic block before stamping. Wooden stamps tend to give a slightly sharper stamped image than clear, cling stamps, and may be a better choice for projects that involve small details or text. Because of their wooden base, these stamps can be harder to place when layering elements in a project. Cling stamps allow for more accurate stamp placement since they are mounted to a clear acrylic block, allowing you to see where you are stamping. You can also mix and match several cling stamps onto one block to achieve a custom design. To apply ink to your stamp, gently tap the stamp onto the ink pad. Use several small taps to achieve even coverage without over-inking the stamp. For stamps that are larger than your stamp pad, place your stamp face up on your surface and gently tap the stamp pad onto the stamp, overlapping the layers until you achieve even coverage over the face of the stamp. If there are areas you do not wish to stamp, you can use masking tape to mask off that area. Remove the tape prior to stamping the image. Once your image has been stamped, you can continue to embellish the stamped image by adding color or dimensional embellishments.